Okay, we are live again. Sorry, time limit cross ಆಯಿತು 60 minutes. So automatic live end ಆಗಿದೆ. I thought because of network issue ಅಂತ. So we are back again because we had few more topics to be discussed. So yes, let's wait for people to join. We'll wait for the people. Okay, I'll add. So okay, I have requested Dr. Niranjan to join us again because live 60 minutes duration cross ಆಗಿದ್ರಿಂದ automatic live end ಆಯಿತು. We'll wind up with few more topics. Hope everybody are joining soon. Yeah, hi. So
Yeah.
sorry, abrupt ಆಗಿ end ಆಯಿತು live.
No problem. Hey, Subhadra.
Yeah. So we were talking about immunity boosters, like.
Yes, immunity booster. As I told you, like definitely, they are just supplements. You can go ahead with that. There's no problem in taking immunity boosters at all. But if at all you
Yeah.
can go from a natural based, it's much better. Plant product,
Okay.
animal product, better.
Okay, so whoever is taking immunity boosters andre already vitamin C, multivitamin medicines and the tablets yaar tagolta idira, you can continue taking, but anything in limit is good. Anything excessive is obviously not good for health. So in limit tagoli, and better to go for homemade remedies like kashaya irbodu and fruits, right?
Yeah, fruits. Keep yourself hydrated, ashte. Others to
Exactly.
hydrate and keep your fruits, all the ingredients what I told you. Dal, what is that? Moong dal, yeah, moong dal. Moong
Dal.
dal, citrus fruits, and all the fruits you can have no issues at all. And turmeric, usage of turmeric, ಹೇಳ್ತಾರಲ್ಲ turmeric water as in a Ayurvedic type. ಬಿಸಿ ನೀರಿಗೆ
Yeah.
turmeric ಹಾಕಿ ಕುಡಿತಾರಲ್ಲ. It is also, it's a good thing. No issues at all in that.
How good like non-veg food like chicken, fish, egg ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ತಗೊಳ್ಬೋದಾ?
Fish ತಗೊಳ್ಬೋದು, No, I understand. Like, it's better to avoid all this for a certain time till you're like absolutely free. Fish tinbodu, no problem at all in that. But chicken and other fat products, for some time, if you could reduce it, it would be amazing.
Egg.
Egg tinbodu, no problem at all.
People out there avoid chicken, but you can go for egg, fish, and milk with turmeric.
Anything you can have, no problem.
So yeah. So out of all this, ಎಲ್ಲ precautions ತಗೊಂಡು ಏನೇ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು, there is a solution for all of this is vaccination, which has come. So ಒಂದು false news, even you would have heard that vaccination ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಸತ್ತೋಗ್ತಾರೆ ಜನ and ಅದು ಬೇರೆ ತರ ಎಫೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. There are people who have already died. You know that news was like ಹಿಂಗ್ ಸ್ಪ್ರೆಡ್ ಆಗಿತ್ತು. Everybody was scared. ಸೊ ಆ ಒಂದು ಥಾಟ್ಸ್ ನ ಈಗಲೂ ಜನ ಅವ್ರ ತಲೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡು ಪೀಪಲ್ ಆರ್ ಅವಾಯ್ಡಿಂಗ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಬೀಯಿಂಗ್ ವ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಿನೇಟೆಡ್. ಸೊ how important to get vaccinated, and how does this vaccination protect against COVID?
Okay. Before that, I'll just tell you this. Two vaccines are available right now, Covishield and Covaxin.
Yeah.
Okay. I can go in detail regarding the Covaxin and Covishield, but I don't think it's okay. General ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀನಿ. Covaxin is the inactivated vaccine. ಏನಂದ್ರೆ the virus is present in the vaccine, but the virus is not able to produce disease to your body. So ಖಾಲಿ virus ನಾವು inject ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, your body will recognize the foreign body and it will start producing antibodies. Okay. This is Covaxin, inactivated vaccine. There is one more vaccine called as Covishield, based on the chimpanzee adenovirus. ಒಂದು adenovirus ಅಂತ ಉಂಟು, ಅದರೊಳಗೆ ಕೋವಿಡ್ ವೈರಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ಇಂಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ removing the disease causing property, and then you inject into your body. So again, your body will find out the foreign body and it will start producing antibodies. So these are the two mechanisms how it is working. Both are given intramuscular. ಮತ್ತೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ವೆರಿ ಬೇಸಿಕ್ ಕ್ವೆಶನ್, ಕೋವ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಿನ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಬೇಕಾ ಕೋವಿಶೀಲ್ಡ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಬೇಕಾ ಅಂತ, ವಿಚ್ ಇಸ್ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಅಂತ. ಮೈ ಆನ್ಸರ್, ಡಸಂಟ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟರ್ ವಿಚ್ ಇಸ್ ಇಟ್, ಕೋವ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಿನ್ ಆರ್ ಕೋವಿಶೀಲ್ಡ್, ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಗೋ ಅಂಡ್ ಗೆಟ್ ಯೋರ್ ಸೆಲ್ಫ್ ವ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಿನೇಟೆಡ್. because according to the recent study, according to the recent data, both the vaccines are equally efficient. ಎರಡು efficient ಉಂಟು, and both are the chances of you getting reinfected by COVID even after the second dose of either one of the vaccine is almost the same, and both the vaccines have similar side effect profile. Okay, so there is no harm if you're taking Covaxin, or but don't mix up this. First dose Covishield ತಗೊಂಡ್ರಿ, second dose Covaxin ತಗೊಂಡ್ರಿ, ಹಂಗೆ ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋಕೆ ಹೋಗಬೇಡಿ. If you're taking Covaxin in the first dose, take the Covaxin in the second dose. Don't mix up the vaccines. But you can choose any one of the vaccines, no problem. Both are safe to go. Now,
But
second
they have
Hmm.
two doses, like no skipping the second dose, because many
No,
people
no,
are
no, no. Skipping at all. ಎರಡು dose ಅಲ್ಲಿ after first dose you can have 4 to 6 weeks apart ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ, after 4 to 6 weeks apart you can have the second dose. That is when you're taking the second dose.
like
So no skipping the doses.
so 28 days cycle, right, for the second dose.
4 to 6 weeks.
Okay, so let's go into basics of this vaccine. How does this vaccine work on our body? Andre, apart from this COVID vaccine ಅಥವಾ ಏನಾದರೂ ಇರ್ಬೋದು, how does the vaccine protect against any infection ಅಥವಾ COVID ಇರ್ಬೋದು? How does it work on our body? So ಇದು ಗೊತ್ತಾದ್ರೆ ಜನಕ್ಕೆ ಒಂದು ಐಡಿಯಾ ಬರ್ಬೋದು how they can be protected. So
Okay. See, when a child is born, as soon as the child is born, there are series of vaccines given to the child. Okay. As the child is growing, there are many vaccines given like BCG, DPT, OPV, MMR, measles. ತುಂಬಾ ಉಂಟು, ತುಂಬಾ ವ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಿನ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಯಾಕೆ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ? ಪೋಲಿಯೋ ವ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಿನ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಯಾಕೆ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ? Because polio ಬರದಾಗೆ. Now India is said to be polio free. Okay, why? Because we are taking vaccines, and that polio vaccine ತಗೊಂಡ ತಕ್ಷಣ that doesn't mean ಇಂಡಿಯಾದಲ್ಲಿ ವೈರಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ. polio virus ಇನ್ನೂ ಉಂಟು, but thanks to the vaccine we are not getting infected by the polio. Similar way COVID has come out of syllabus. ಯಾರಿಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿರ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ ಕೋವಿಡ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿದ್ರೆ ಮುಂಚೆ ಚಿಕ್ಕದಿಂದನೂ ನಾವು ಒಂದು ಕೋವಿಡ್ ವೈರಸ್ ವ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಿನ್ ತಗೊಳ್ತಿದ್ವಿ.
ಚಿಕ್ಕಿಂದಾನೆ ಕೊಡಬಹುದು ವ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಿನ್. ಮುಂದೆ
ಎಕ್ಸಾಕ್ಟ್ಲಿ
people might
ಮುಂದೆ yes definitely ಮುಂದೆ ಅದು ಆಗಬಹುದು, ಬಟ್ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿರ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ. This has come out of syllabus.
and
COVID
once
has come out of
just interaction people ಇದನ್ನ ಮುಂದೆ ವ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಿನ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದಾರೆ ಅಂತ please don't spread a news. This is just a interactive session we are having. So
exactly. So that's what I was telling. So COVID has come out of syllabus. So ಯಾರಿಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿರ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ ಇದ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ. ಗೊತ್ತಿದ್ರೆ definitely the government would have definitely implemented on taking the vaccines very long back. Yeah. Now, how does the vaccine work? Vaccine ತಗೊಂಡ ತಕ್ಷಣ you should not have thing in your mind that I am completely disease free. ಹಂಗಲ್ಲ. If you're taking vaccine, that doesn't mean you won't get COVID. You will still get COVID if you are not carrying out the basic precautionary measures like wearing a mask, hand sanitization, social distancing. ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇನ್ನೂ chances ಉಂಟು. But what is the difference? Difference is, before vaccinating, if at all you would have got the COVID virus, the chances of you getting infected is around 90 to 99%. But after the vaccination, it has been cut down to 50% or less than 50%. Okay, your body is in a better state to fight against the virus because your body already has the antibodies. Okay, your body has the antibodies to fight against the virus. You're actually being very well prepared. Your body is very well prepared for the COVID virus to deal with the COVID virus. Okay, but that doesn't mean that ನೀವು ತಗೊಂಡ ತಕ್ಷಣ ವ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಿನ್ ತಗೊಂಡ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಬಿಂದಾಸ್ ಅಪ್ಪ ಚಿಲ್ಲ, ಏನ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಇಲ್ಲ, ನೋ ವೇರಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಸ್ಕ್, ನೋ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಸ್ಯಾನಿಟೈಸೇಷನ್, ಹೊರಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬೋದು ಅಂತ. ಹಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. You are still able to virus. You are still able to get COVID infected. So kindly follow the basic measures. But
and so what are the precautions we need to take before getting vaccinated? Andre enadru precautions idya? So this is we have to follow and we have to go get vaccinated. Andre and also there are
yes
sugar patients idare, BP patients idare, some people have thyroid. Can you hear me? Can you hear me? Yeah, there are people with many diseases like thyroid irbodu. You know, all those people, do they have anything like particular precautions they have to take before going for the vaccination, and also for everyone in general? what is the precautions to be taken before going for the vaccination
No.
and after
See, before
well.
Okay. So, precautionary measures that you need to take before going to the vaccination is that you should tell your doctor, are you allergic? Are you allergic to anything? Any drugs maybe or any ingredients in the vaccine? Vaccine is made out of certain ingredients. Please go and check out the ingredients and see if at all you know that you're allergic to any of them. But if you don't know that you're not allergic, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ವ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಿನೇಷನ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗುವಾಗ just tell your doctor that I am allergic to something so and so, maybe certain drugs or maybe certain things. Immediate ಆಗಿ allergy test ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ doctor, sudden there only. Okay, and then he will decide either are you capable to take this vaccine or not, are you eligible to take this vaccine or not. Okay, that is one thing. You should be always clear that are you allergic, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಬಾಡಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲರ್ಜಿ ಉಂಟಾ ಅಂತ, ಏನಾದರೂ ಎಲರ್ಜಿ, ರ್ಯಾಶ್, ರೆಡ್ನೆಸ್, ಏನಾದ್ರು ಎಲರ್ಜಿ ಉಂಟಾ, ಕೈಂಡ್ಲಿ ಟೆಲ್ ಯರ್ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಬಿಫೋರ್ ಗೆಟಿಂಗ್ ವ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಿನೇಟೆಡ್. Second,
Sorry, but like the people who can make out whether they're allergic or not anta. But few people ಅಂದ್ರೆ who are not educated ಅಥವಾ ವಿಲೇಜ್ ಹಳ್ಳಿಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ, ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಇಷ್ಟು ಎಜುಕೇಶನ್ ಇರಲ್ಲ whether they are allergic or not, ಅದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಏನ್ ಕಂಟೆಂಟ್ ಇದೆ ಅದು ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಹೌ ಡು ವಿ like make sure that they are not in
no,
like
before when they are getting, even when if you're not telling the doctor regarding your allergy or anything, what the doctor does is like when you're yourself, say for example I'm a person from a village who is completely uneducated, I'm going to the vaccine for the first time. The doctor will ask you a series of questions. He'll ask you ನಿಮಗೆ problem ಉಂಟಾ, ಏನು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಉಂಟಾ ಅಂತ. If at all he finds something suspicious, immediately then and there he'll carry out a allergy test. ಒಂದು allergy test ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. Okay, allergy test ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ if at all the person is eligible or not, so nothing to worry as such. ಅವ್ರು ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಒಳ್ಳೇದು, no problem, but they have to at least say this much that whatever medications they have been taking, doesn't matter for BP, sugar, ಏನಿರಲಿ, let them just mention about it. Okay, they can. Hello,
network issue ಆಗ್ತದೆ. Okay, I think there is some network issue. Is it from my end or from your end? ನನಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. Okay, let's wait for him to join back. Okay, he left. And I'll just add him again. Maybe a network issue ಅಂತ ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತೆ. I'll just add him back. Okay, I have sent the request to him. Let's wait for him to join. Okay. So yes, people will wait for him to join. Adali, you all got to know, right, that vaccination is a must. You all have to get vaccinated. Yes, he's back.
really sorry, the internet is very bad, very bad.
No,
Really sorry. Kindly pardon.
So yeah, ಈಗ BP people ಅಥವಾ heart patients, sugar patients, there is no worries, right? They can just go get vaccinated.
Sugar patient, heart patient, thyroid patient have no issues. They can go because sugar patient already immunity is in a low side. Okay, the chances of them getting infected by COVID is even more than a normal person.
Oh.
So intavaru first because they need antibodies in their body. But heart patients and all that, certain people will be on certain drugs called as blood thinners ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. They should mention about this to the doctor before getting vaccinated, so the doctor can adjust the doses of the medicines, or maybe he can change the medicine and to put some alternate medicine and then think about the vaccine. Okay, if you have any bleeding problems, kindly tell the doctor before getting vaccinated. Vaccination ಮುಂಚೆ ಏನಾದರೂ ರಕ್ತದ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಉಂಟಾ, ರಕ್ತ ಬ್ಲೀಡಿಂಗ್ ಆಗೋ ಏನಾದ್ರು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ಗೆ ಹೇಳಿ before getting vaccinated, because the doctor will adjust the dose of the drugs what he is taking, or maybe he can change the drugs and then maybe in the future he can plan for a vaccination. but vaccination is a must.
ಓಕೆ ಸೊ ಪೀಪಲ್ ನೋಟ್ ಡೌನ್ ದಿಸ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್. ಮತ್ತೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು, ಪ್ರೆಗ್ನೆನ್ಸಿ ಇರೋ ವಿಮೆನ್, ಲ್ಯಾಕ್ಟೇಟಿಂಗ್ ಮದರ್, ಅವರು ವ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಿನೇಷನ್ ತಗೋಬೋದಾ? ಅದರಲ್ಲೂ ಒಂದಷ್ಟು ಯುನೋ ಊಹಾಪೋಹಗಳು ಇತ್ತು, ಲೈಕ್ ದೇರ್ ವರ್ ಸೋ ಮೆನಿ ರೂಮರ್ಸ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್. ಸೊ ವಾಟ್ ಡು ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್, ಲೈಕ್ ಹೌ ಡು ವಿ ಪುಟ್ ದಿಸ್ ಇನ್ ವರ್ಡ್ಸ್?
Pregnant ladies are not supposed to take the vaccine as of now because there is no studies, evidence ಏನಿಲ್ಲ ಕಿ ತೆಗ್ದಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಏನು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಉಂಟಾಗಿ ಏನು ಎವಿಡೆನ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ. ರಿಸರ್ಚ್ ಸ್ಟಿಲ್ ಇಸ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಆನ್. ಲ್ಯಾಕ್ಟೇಟಿಂಗ್ ಮದರ್ಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಸೇಮ್ ಥಿಂಗ್. ಎರಡಕ್ಕೂ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಕಾಂಟ್ರಾ ಇಂಡಿಕೇಟೆಡ್, ಅಂದ್ರೆ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿಕ್ಕಿಲ್ಲ ಸದ್ಯಕ್ಕೆ. ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ವಾಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ಬಿನ್ ದ ರಿಸರ್ಚ್ ಬಿನ್ ಟೆಲ್ಲಿಂಗ್ ಟಿಲ್ ನೌ. ಫ್ಯೂಚರ್ ರಿಸರ್ಚಸ್ ಡೆಫಿನೆಟ್ಲಿ ಅಪ್ಡೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ದ ಸೋಷಿಯಲ್ ಮೀಡಿಯಾಸ್, ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಅಪ್ಡೇಟಿಂಗ್ ರಿಗಾರ್ಡಿಂಗ್ ದಟ್, ಬಟ್ ಆಸ್ ಆಫ್ ನೌ ದೇ ಆರ್ not fulfilling the criteria for the vaccine. Pregnant women and the lactating.
So I'll put a word. Since pregnant women ಮತ್ತು lactating mothers can't be vaccinated, our family members ಯಾರು ಇರ್ತಾರೆ, please be careful. You all get vaccinated so she can be safe. Because if she's pregnant, obviously after delivery she'll be lactating. For next 1 year, she can't be vaccinated. So our 1 or 2 years in period is there, she has to be protected only from the family members. So if everyone else are vaccinated, she can be at the safer side, right? So
Yes.
please, everyone just make a note of it to be vaccinated. And after vaccination, ಏನು ಲೈಕ್ ರಿಕವರಿ ಪೀರಿಯಡ್ ಇದೆ. ಕೆಲವ್ರಿಗೆ ಫೀವರ್ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ, ಕೆಲವ್ರಿಗೆ ಲೈಕ್ the body pains are there, like what they have to do with these symptoms, and how they have to recover.
These symptoms what they're getting about fever or a body ache, ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಇಂಜೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೋವಿರುತ್ತೆ, ಆ ಹಾರ್ಮ್ ನೋವಿರುತ್ತೆ. These are all the basic symptoms which you will get in other vaccines. ಯಾವ ವ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಿನ್ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರು there are chances of you getting this. This will subside on its own in 24 to 48 hours on its own.
Yes.
Nothing to worry. If it doesn't subside also, nothing to worry. Symptomatic relief untu ತಗೊಳ್ಬಹುದು. But please go and get yourself vaccinated.
Yeah, I have heard people, ಇಲ್ಲ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಫೀವರ್ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ ನಾವು ವ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಿನೇಷನ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ. I have heard people talking. I'm like, ಫೀವರ್ ಯಾವಾಗಾದ್ರೂ ಬರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ, ಲೈಕ್ ನಾರ್ಮಲಿ we get fever.
Good sign. Fever vaccination ತಗೊಂಡ್ಮೇಲೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಫೀವರ್ ಬಂದ್ರೆ it's a very good sign because your body is identifying the foreign body which has been injected. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಬಾಡಿ ರೆಸ್ಪಾನ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಉಂಟು. It's a very good sign if you're having a fever after the vaccination. Just know that your body is starting to produce immunity, antibodies. So don't be panic. ತುಂಬಾ ಜನ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ವ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಿನೇಷನ್ ತಗೊಂಡ ತಕ್ಷಣ there is death happening, there is so many things happening. No, it's not like that. Maybe there are other reasons for the death. Why? Maybe the person was COVID positive in before. He didn't know regarding it and he went for the vaccination. That may be the cause of death. Or maybe he wasn't certain.
If the person is infected and without knowing being infected, if they get vaccinated and the symptoms iralla, the person might have the virus and he goes and gets vaccinated. What is the adverse effect?
Because first of all, our body immunity illa. Okay, the virus has his body, the virus has invaded his immune system. There's absolutely nothing that is fighting back against the virus. Upon that, you're giving, maybe he's symptomless, symptom torisillange, but still he's getting vaccinated. It is an adverse effect again. Because first of all, there is nothing to fight against the virus. And again, additionally, you're adding something else. So there are adverse effects, chance of death can happen.
Okay. How can we avoid this? So everyone has to get a test done before getting vaccinated.
You have to look for the symptoms. No, panic madangella. You have to always look for the symptoms. If you have any symptoms of fever, if you have any symptoms of COVID, any COVID symptoms, kindly avoid vaccine. Vaccine are okay. Just tell your doctor that you have so and so symptoms. He will tell you once you're absolutely asymptomatic. He will tell you when to come and get yourself vaccinated. ಯಾವ ಬರ್ಬೇಕಂತ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ನಿಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲ ಸಿಂಪ್ಟಮ್ಸ್ ಕಮ್ಮಿ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ದೆನ್ ಅವರೇ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್. ಅಂಡ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ಲಿ ಈಸ್ RT-PCR ಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ ಆಫ್ ಕೋರ್ಸ್. ಅಂಡ್ RT-PCR ಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಇಫ್ ಎಟ್ ಆಲ್ ಯುವರ್ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್, ಇಫ್ ಯುವರ್ ವಂಡರ್ಫುಲ್, ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಅ ಗುಡ್ ಸೈನ್ ದಟ್ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಗೋ ಫಾರ್ ದ ವ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಿನ್. ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಇದೆ, ಡೆಫಿನೆಟ್ಲಿ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಗೋ. ಥರ್ಡ್ಲಿ, whatever the adverse effects I told, ನಿಮಗೆ ಬ್ಲೀಡಿಂಗ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಉಂಟಾ at all, or else you have any allergies, these problems idre kindly tell your doctor before getting vaccinated. These are the things which is causing the death. Vaccine is not causing the death.
Yeah,
vaccine is not causing the death.
Yeah, that's true. So each point, yeah, it is clear for people. I guess it's not vaccine which is creating the death.
It's
But
not a vaccine. Yeah.
also, as you said, ಈಗ symptomatic iddu fever, cold ಏನಾದ್ರೂ ಇದ್ದು symptomatic iddu if he's avoiding vaccination is well and good.
That's
What
well
if
and
the
good.
person is symptomatic? If the person is not symptomatic, for example, ಈಗ virus ನಮ್ಮ ಬಾಡಿಗೆ ಬಂದು 1 week ವರೆಗೂ sometimes they don't show the symptoms because of good immunity.
Hmm.
So, without knowing the virus is in him, if the person who gets vaccinated, what happens now? ಅವಾಗ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? Because if he's not symptomatic, he's not
Not
showing any symptoms.
symptomatic, not symptomatic, everything is fine. Oxygen saturation manali pulse oximeter ಇಂದ ನೋಡಿದ್ರು, that is also fine. Everything is fine, and then maybe he's still having the virus and still is going and getting vaccinated. Nothing to worry. He might be having he'll be having the same adverse effects what vaccine after vaccine adverse effect irutte, fever, muscle pain ade irutte. All that he has to do is keep his oxygen saturation ashte. Let him just keep a watch on oxygen saturation. If it is dropping below 95, let him just rush to the hospital.
Okay, cool. So, one more thing, we'll just put a word across because vegetable vendors ಇರ್ತಾರೆ, fruit vendors ಇರ್ತಾರೆ, ಮತ್ತೆ ಹೂ ಮಾರೋರು ಇರ್ತಾರೆ, like road side ನಲ್ಲಿ work ಮಾಡೋರು ಇರ್ತಾರೆ, and also the people who work for BBMP, like cleaning, ಆ work ನಲ್ಲಿ ಇರೋರು ಇರ್ಬೋದು, or the people who are working for constructions, they're all the people who are less educated, if I have to tell, like less aware of happening around them. They just believe what people say because ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಅಷ್ಟು proper information ಕೊಡೋರು ಇರಲ್ಲ, and they'll not be even aware of the vaccination and they have to get vaccinated ಅಂತ. If someone goes and tell them ಇಲ್ಲ vaccination ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಸತ್ತೋಗ್ತಾರಂತೆ ಅಂತ, obviously they believe that instead of going and getting vaccinated. So what do we have to do, like how we put the word across to people like to go get vaccinated anta?
First of all, putting the word across, as I told, as you asked me, like how do you tell them, or how does the information reach up to them regarding the vaccination? Corporators of the city, definitely they can make an announcement, a vehicle announcement, definitely that can help. Neighbors, social media
Yeah.
is something in grooming like anything. You have the WhatsApp there. I'm definitely sure like you have the numbers of your neighbors. Kindly pass on the message, or at least call them and tell them that this is the thing, this is the scenario. If you are educated, kindly educate them as well. Okay, tell them the purpose for vaccination, tell them the need of vaccination in this pandemic, because vaccine is the only savior at the moment. Nothing is saving you at the moment. Okay, everything is repulsed, everything is against you. Okay. Thirdly, before donating so much of money to the CM and the PM fund, kindly utilize the money and help others out there. Okay, please, because we have no idea what's happening with that money. That's fine. We cannot debate on that. That's up to them. But it's our hard-earned money. If at all we are using it on the people and helping them out, like these people, like vegetable vendors, these uneducated and less educated people. If at all we can use those resources to somehow educate them and tell them to go and get a vaccine, that would be very much helpful.
Exactly, like ಮನೆಗೆ ಕೆಲಸದವ್ರು ಬರ್ತಾರೆ, we get the maids.
Exactly. If you could educate them, they'll go home and then educate their families, and their families will educate the neighbors. So the wildfire goes on. Kindly don't spread rumors. Don't spread rumors.
And
If you are half, yeah, tell me.
As you said, like helping the people, like PM fund adu idu anta. Instead of that, don't deduct the salary of your maid. At least pay them for the month and
Exactly.
go help.
Exactly.
Don't bargain with the vegetable vendors right now. ಈಗಿರೋ ಪರಿಸ್ಥಿತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ. And when they like ಒಂದು ಸಾಮಾನ್ ತರಕ ಹೊರಗಡೆ ಹೋದಾಗ್ಲು, ತರಕಾರಿ ಅಥವಾ ಫ್ಲವರ್ಸ್, whatever it is, ದಿನಸಿ, the basic essentials ಏನ್ buy ಮಾಡಕ್ ಹೋದಾಗ್ಲು, if they put a word across to them, to be vaccinated, I think it will do a great difference among the
Definitely.
people.
It definitely does a great difference when you can spread the word, not spread the rumors. It would be really amazing.
Yeah. I just got a comment saying, why should we get vaccinated? Because people who are vaccinated is also getting COVID positive. I think ಅದನ್ನೇ ನಾವು ಇಷ್ಟು explain ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ, but again the same question
No,
is coming up.
let me tell them. See, you're not vaccinated. You're absolutely vaccine free from your body. You get the COVID. Chances of you dying is 90%. Let me put it this way: chances of your death is 90%. You're vaccinated. You get COVID. Chances of your death is only 40%. So which one do you choose? 90% or 40%? It's up to you.
I think the confusion. Cured.
Now that is called a savage reply. Just people getting yourself vaccinated makes your body very much protective and better way to fight against the virus. Think that your body is having no antibodies against the virus at all. Your body has antibodies against everything else but not COVID virus. What will it fight? It cannot fight. It is not able to understand. Your body is not able to understand what is that virus about. And it takes time for the antibody to happen. By the time the antibody is produced, the COVID has done its job and there is a lot of infection all over your body. But
So
if a vaccine is already
what
in your body,
this is what's happening. People, please don't be negligent about anything. Don't be careless about the vaccination. So before you get into the hospital, the first line of protection ನೀವು ನಿಮಗೆ ತಗೊಳ್ಬೇಕಾಗಿರೋದು is first thing mask compulsory, sanitizing and carrying the sanitizer compulsory, immunity boosters, and checking their SPO level and from the pulse oximeter and checking the temperature from the thermometer and the vaccination.
yeah.
So these are the basics they have to follow so that one the layer they can protect themselves from getting into the hospital.
Come again, please. Can you repeat that?
So yeah, these are the things they have to follow so they can
Yeah.
protect themselves from going into the hospital.
Yeah. Your voice
yes,
is cracking.
Can you hear me?
Yeah, now I can hear you. Yeah.
Yes. So it was a very interactive session, Dr. Niranjan. Thank you so much for joining. And
Thank you so much.
hope this would have helped a lot of people. Yeah.
I'm sure.
Yeah, thank you so much. And people, ಇದು ಇತಿಹಾಸ page ಇಂದ ವೈದ್ಯ ಸಂವಾದ ಅಂತ ನಾವು ಒಂದು session, live session we are organizing so that we can touch different. So, okay, I think his network gone. Yeah, he's back. So this is the first session we did from the Vaidya Samvada with the Dr. Niranjan to talk about all the basic about COVID do's and don'ts. I think idu tumba help agide tumba janake and a lot of questions have been cleared, lot of doubts have been cleared. Nimge idadmelu inno questions idre, doubts idre, you can always reach to Dr. Niranjan. He's available. You can directly DM him, right? Because I'm telling on behalf of
Yes,
you. So
definitely, please do reach. We will segregate. Please, it's only related to COVID. I'm very much happy to help you out because that is something which is needed at the moment. COVID-related issues, COVID-related topics. So kindly DM me if you have any queries. I'll reach out to you at the earliest and clarify the doubt.
yes, and also Vaidya Samvada session will be there like every alternate days with different doctors trying to educate the people on different aspects of COVID. So please stay tuned, guys. Next session, Bandhu, that's on Tuesday at 5 p.m. So see you all there, and thank you so much, Dr. Niranjan.
Thank you so much again for having me on the show.
Thank you.